Good morning, traders. This is your pre-market stocks to watch. Today is April the 29th, 2020, and I am your host, James Mason. And we're going to give it another minute or two to let the members jump on in here and see what we have going on. All right, so let's start off by taking a look at the Dow futures. All right, so we clearly have this bullish pre-market run up around $400, not $400, 400 points in the green. And today I expect to be very choppy. At 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Fed Chairman the Fed Reserve Chairman is going to be, speaking, and anytime he does that, the market, man, will just run you through the ringer. So be careful. Keep that in mind. That's going to influence a lot of your day trades and also swing trades. I am still short in ticker GRUB and ticker VXX. So we can look those up really quick. We can see how Grubhub finished out yesterday. And then we have this gap up. Obviously, it gapped up because the market is up 400 points. So I'm not going to add on to that position today at all, since he'll be speaking today, and there's just no point. You don't know what the market is going to do in the end. So looking at ticker VXX. So we have another gap down. Yesterday it gapped down and then it ran up, started making a nice push. Actually had me in some decent profits, but not where I wanted to take it yet, at least. But we can see right here, we have this gap down, and it's pretty much just going to be one of those standby to standbys on this ticker. Now, when ticker VXX starts pushing up, the market's coming down, and vice versa. So let's take a look. Let's dig through this. Why is it moving? Catalyst feature. See if we see anything that pretty much stands out. So many earnings going on right now. It's making it challenging. So here's a penny stock. This is ticker NIO. Not something that I normally would trade, but I know a lot of people have been trading this, at least recently. See this nice gap up on it. Yesterday it closed out at 334, and currently it is going for 385 at the moment. So this might be worth watching if you're trading penny stocks. And the reason why I'm talking about this one is you can see right here, NIO shares are trading higher after the company announced agreements for investments in NIO China. So let's see what else we can find. Overall, I probably won't even trade today, to be honest. I hate Wednesdays. Wednesdays are historically horrible for me since the Fed Reserve usually makes announcements on those days. So let's see. Let's look at Starbucks or SBUX. So Starbucks has all kind of choppiness here. Pre-market right down here on the why is it moving catalyst. Says Starbucks shares are trading lower after the company reported worse than expected Q2 EPS results. The company also said it sees coronavirus impact to intensify in Q3. Pretty much the only reason why I see Starbucks trending up right now is the market is pulling it up. Now, whenever the Fed Reserve talks, and it will, it always does get extremely volatile then. But whenever he talks today at, well, not whenever, at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, he'll talk, and really, it really doesn't matter what he says. In the end, the market's going to do whatever it feels like it wants to do. Who knows what state of affairs we're in now, because sometimes good news creates bad results and bad news creates good results. It's been crazy lately, just like that. So again, I'm probably going to hold out until tomorrow. Let everything pass today, see what goes on, see how the markets digest what he has to say, and then trade from there. Now, Starbucks, with it, announcing that right there and just seeing this choppiness pre-market. And again, this is only pulling up because the market's up. I'm going to look to short Starbucks tomorrow. For ranges at this point, I'll just have to see where it runs up today. But if it stayed in this range, hypothetically speaking, then I would like to take it down to 75, 80 in a short. Let's see. Let's take a look at Boeing. All right, so for the why is it moving catalyst, Boeing shares are trading higher after the company reported its Q1 earning results. Now let's see what time, 9:30. So for Boeing, what I would do right here, I'd wait until after this conference call is over. What happens a lot of times is it's trending up right now, and when it gets closer to that conference call, it will pull back very hard. So be aware of this. But with Boeing announcing that, I'm going to be looking bullish at this one. Again, I'm not going to trade today. I'm going to see what the market does. We'll come out tomorrow, depending on if the market's bullish or bearish. If it's bullish, then I'll be going long on Boeing. Let's look at the algorithm, see what we had going on yesterday. So we had a lot of bearish alerts. Overall, I really am bearish on the market right now. Obviously, we know that I'm short in Grub. Let's see. I'm very bearish on Zillow. Let's take a look at that real quick. So obviously with Zillow pushing up, I mean, with the market pushing up, Zillow's pushing up, and I'm going to hold off on that one. Now, if it comes up here to this $45, $51 range again, this one's going to, I'm actually going to put alert in right here. This one would be very tempting for me to at least take one put contract in, since overall I'm getting bearish swing trade alerts with the algorithms. Again, you know, just watch out for what the Fed Reserve has to announce today. So I'm going to hit these comments real quick, see what everyone is looking at, and we'll get this trading day started for those who plan on actually trading. Let's see. Thoughts on BYND. Let's take a look at that. Now, BYND, this did alert the other day as a bearish swing trade. We saw very nice pullbacks in it already. And again, overall, I'm extremely bearish in this. So we'll just have to pretty much see what the market does today. Again, and I've said this like 10 times already, it's going to be volatile today. That announcement is it's gonna mess a lot of people up. It always does. Trust me. It doesn't matter your skill level. That's why I hate trading Wednesdays. But overall, I am extremely bearish on BYND. I don't have a position in it for the fact that I feel like I missed the best part of the run. I mean, it's going to drop more, in my opinion, at least. Again, I'll have to see how this turns out today. If for whatever reason Beyond Meat runs up to say around this 112 range, I might be tempted to take a put in it for a swing trade. So that's all I have today. And again, you guys just keep those position sizes small, especially today. If you can hold out on trading today or from entering any trades today, I would. Let's let the Fed Reserve announce what they have to announce. We'll see how the market digests it tomorrow, and we'll take it from there. Now, if you're already in a position, me personally, I would hold off on adding any more to it. Let the market do what it wants to do, and then we'll take it from there on Thursday. So I appreciate y'all. Y'all take care, trade safe, and I will see y'all on the next one.